Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How's your day? I hope all of you are always in a good health. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hijratul Mardhatillah from Class C Mathematics Education 2019. By the way, do you guys know anything about system of linear equations into variables? If not, don't skip this video. Here I made a learning video to fulfill the final test for English courses for mathematics with material on system of linear equations into variables. Enjoy! A system of linear equations consists of two or more variables such that all equations in the system are considered simultaneously. An equation is said to linear equation into variables if it is written in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and the coefficient of x and y respectively are not equal to 0. For example, 10x plus 4y equals 3 and negative x plus 5y equals 2 are linear equation into variables. In this section, we will look at the system of linear equations into variables, which consists of two equations that contain two different variables. For example, consider the following or linear equations into variables. 3x minus y equals 7. 2x plus 3y equals 1. But before we discuss how to solve system, we should first talk about just what a solution to a system of equations is. A solution to a system of equations is a value of x and a value of y. When substituted into the equations, satisfy both equations at the same time. For the example above, x equals 2 and y equals negative 1 is a solution to the system. This is easy enough to check. 3 times 2 minus negative 1 equals 7. 2 times 2 plus 3 times negative 1 equals 1. So, sure enough, that pair of numbers is a solution to the system. Not that it is important that the pair of numbers satisfy both equations. For instance, x equals 1 and y equals negative 4 will satisfy the first equations, but not the second. So, it's not solution to the system. Likewise, x equals negative 1 and y equals 1 will satisfy the second equation, but not the first, and so can be a solution to the system. There are many methods of solving system of linear equations into variables, and what we will learn this time is the substitution method in which we solve one of the equations for one variable and substitute the result into the second equation solved for the second variable. Example: solve the following system of equations by substitution. Negative x plus y equals negative 5. 2x minus 5y equals 1. First, we will solve the first equation for y. Negative x plus y equals negative 5, so we have y equals x minus 5. Now we can substitute the expression x minus 5 for y in the second equation. 2x minus 5y equals 1. So 2x minus 5 times x minus 5 equals 1. And then we have minus 3x equals negative 24. And x equals 8. Then we substitute x equals 8 into the first equation and solve for y. Negative 8 plus y equals negative 5. So we have y equals 3. And our solution is 8,3. We can check the solution by substituting 8,3 in both equations. Alright, so now let me show you how to check an ordered pair and see if it's a solution to a system of linear equations in two variables. So we have negative x plus y equals negative 5, and we want to check the ordered pair 8,3. So 8 will get plugged in for x because it represents the x value, and 3 will get plugged in for y because it represents the y value. So I would have negative 8 plus 3 equals negative 5. So 8,3 satisfies the first equation. Then let's check the second equation to find out if this is the solution to the system. The second equation is 2x minus 5y equals 1. And we have 2 times 8 minus 5 times 3 equals 1. And we can see that 8,3 also satisfy the second equation. So 8,3 is the solution to the system. So that's a little lesson about the system of linear equations in two variables. Substitution method. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in my other videos. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.